This is no longer cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently, how to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area I might get into area of psychopathology, mental disorder, pathology, mental diseases, and I might get into key in on areas. I also got into an area,
if you put
this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship
What did you
between
do with
physical
Jeff?
stimulation and mental phenomena.
He's not here today.
And I sought to
He might be back next week.
this discipline where
In
I
any
tried
event,
to
I'm hosting his
decipher
show,
why
the
a
Jeff
musician,
Richard Show.
non-musician.
And you have the fundamental color of the ocean itself. The ocean has this fundamental physical called the primary or the pathological nurturing features. And they become disinhibited and they take on a new sort of language, a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet someone